Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals Zero to make the best game ever. Last session, we did some things. We did start to replicate one of the changes to Generals. This one here. Yeah. But there was more to be done. Right. Right, so this one did not yet compile, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, what is the current error? Good. Is there anything new here? No, there's not much action here. Okay. There was some comment here about some bug. I noticed some issue with displaying oils that have been destroyed. Black. Yeah. It looks strange. It's very random when the oil appears like this. I've never noticed this in retail. I think it's likely this PR caused it. Yeah, I would need a replay for this. But as long as this only happens with observing, then it's not a big concern. It needs to be fixed, but it only would be a critical issue if it happens in a regular match. When you're just playing, this happens. Good. Do we have anything else that we can maybe already merge? Let's see. Review approved. I want to merge these two together with the rest of these. This one still needed work. This one needed work. This one needs replication, which we're doing right now. This one needs replication as well. This one is being obsoleted by this one, so it will be closed anyway. And this one, yeah, I don't know. Could merge it, but yeah, it's the fix is a hack, so yeah. Hopefully, if it doesn't cause any new issues, then maybe the hack is good enough for now. I don't know. I really don't know what the real problem is. It's certainly strange that it's a problem. Not on every machine. On some machine it just works fine. So, it is strange. Yeah. Good. So we have compile errors here. Get observed or local play. What about this? Okay, mention device. Oh. Refresh objects. Okay, so that is the first problem. So radar doesn't have this function. Okay, what is happening in there? Yeah, it exists in 0 hour. Refresh the radar when the state of world objects changes drastically. Huh. Why was this not replicated? That I don't understand. I don't know what just happened. W3D radar. Huh. Huh. It's not here. Oh. It's added later. It's added in a later change. Aha. Aha. Okay, so maybe this is fine. What is the other compiler? Track all players. That's probably also added later than track all players. Yeah, that's also added. Okay, then this is fine. It just happens to error because for 0 hour it's already advanced. It's in core, and so generals fails to compile until it's also replicated here in generals. Yeah, okay, I understand. I understand. Then let's keep on going. Then the next one is this one here. Then git bash projects. Game code and replicate. Fix this in general. It's RTS. Oh, we don't need CMake. What am I doing? We're looking for git diff. There we go. So we want to replicate from this to this. Okay. Okay, and then take this here. Oops. Copy. Okay, that was simple enough. Then we do create a fix up commit. Oh, that's not the right one. This one here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, and then there's that. Next is this one. Okay. That went without conflicts. That's nice to say. Much appreciated. Then that will be for this guy, yeah. Fix up commit. Fantastic. There we go. Okay. Next. This one. Also without problems. Snap update. Oh, okay. Good. Next. This one. Okay. Okay. Looks simple enough. Good. Next. This one. Okay. Okay. Good. Next. This one. Okay. Cool. So far goes very smoothly. Yeah. Next. Subject is this one. Okay. Okay. Keep ghosted and shorted objects hidden when taking a ghost snapshot or changing the local player. Okay. Then next, this one. Oh. I see some problem here with this here. Uh-oh. This will compile, one of these changes will fail to compile. Because of this const export. Yeah. Okay, we need to fix that later. Also for 0 hour. Yeah. No. Yeah, it should be possible. Do it later. Yeah. Okay. Then we have that, and now we have next one. Paste. Oh, there we have some error, conflict, let's say. Okay. Oh, let's see what that is. Skip through. Okay, I'm not sure why this one did not work. Observe, yeah. How about we copy the whole line? Okay. Okay. Fresh. Which change was it? Radar. This one. Okay. I think there's one more. This one. No? Fixed duplicate terrain decals applied. fix duplicated terrain decals. Okay. Okay. Here we have some problem. Model is dirty. Model is dirty is here. Why did it fail? Because there's a space here. There we go. Done. Okay. Good. That is done. Good. So if I didn't make a mistake, then this should be all good. Good, let's go through these. So this one is 3 files here, corresponds to this, yeah, looks about the same. W3D radar. Radar. Yeah. Refresh objects. Refresh objects, yes. Properly keep ghosted. Properly. Yeah. Next. Has ghost objects. Fix crash, yeah. Fix crash, yeah. Fix encrypt snapshot. Yeah, I think that's good. Then let's rebase. Wait, it's only 13. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Let me double check that here as well. 13 commits, yes. Good. 13 commits. Then rebase. Auto squash. There we go. Okay, good. Good. Then let's look over it to see if things look about the same. Yes. Oh, this one is a lot. Okay, user preferences, control bar, global data, radar, control bar, FX lists. Yeah. Control bar. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay. Good. That looks fine. Okay, here we need to make a change. So here, yeah, I don't know what happened here. So first we need to put it back to this thing. Yeah. And here we do this, fix up, const expra, commit, which would essentially remove it from this commit. Yeah. And which one was it? No, I forgot which one it was. One of these. Okay, so here we add this guy, and so the next change it was removing it, but now that's gone. Okay, good. And then we need to update this guy and put directly this in there. Yeah. So that's this one, yeah. Yeah. So we make it lowercase, const expra. Okay. There we go. And then we squash that down. Good, and that should deal with that situation, yes. Okay, good. Then let's keep on looking a bit. Okay, good. The next step is we test if every individual commit will compile. For that, we go to checkout. This one. Yeah. That will take a while to test. Good. In the meantime, what can we do? Maybe do some reviewing. What about this one here? This bench. Good. How about we look at Baptista? He has a bunch of changes there. Good. So this one is compiled. Yes. We'll go to the next one. Good. How about we look at this guy? Oh, this one needed inspection. Let's look at this. Use pacstruct for packet serialization. Let's see. Oof, that's quite a lot. 745. Oof. Oof. It's 3 commits. Oh, it builds on top of another change. Aha, it builds on top of this. So we should first conclude this guy. Yeah. Okay. Good, this one has succeeded. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, so we first need to fix or finalize this. Yeah. I need to get the branch into Visual Studio to look at this properly. Oh, that's quite a lot. But not as many as I thought. Um, I think we have a type there for that now. Net packets. Net packets. .h. Yeah, this one. Perhaps. Many times in this file. Good, so this one has now also succeeded. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, so I think that if this is not meant to be changed, then can make it constant, initialize it in here to the desired type. Maybe that can be done. Yeah. I don't know if it can be const. Maybe there will be some problem with some code, but can try, see how it goes. Mhm. Boah. Now the question is, how do we verify that these structs are correct? Because from here it's a bit hard to see. Good, so this one also compiles. Next. Okay, that also succeeded. Next. Okay, cool. No. Good. That also succeeds. Look, goes very well so far. Cool. Okay, that looks very good. Then we can push it. What is it? Here. Push. Okay, then let's test it in generals. If it looks good or not. Good, so we want to create a replay, yeah? Let's take brutal armies. Yeah. Let's take Chile. Put my partner here. Actually, China is the strongest, right? Let's take China here. Yeah. We need the advantage. Oh, 2 Chinas, look at that. We can build fast. Let's do instant builds. Oh, I don't need 2 doses. Get some Rocket Man, Dragon Tank. Oof. Oh, he drives away. Oh, shit. Okay, the rocket soldiers are better than the rest. Oh, shit. Oof. Easy bash. Oof. Oof. Gatling tanks are pretty good. Oof. Nice try there. I think there are many Gatling tanks inside of each other here. That's why they're so good. Oof, ranges. Oof. Oof. Got the flashbang. Okay, let's go and kill some USA here. Oof. Maybe get some overlords. Good job, guys. Total carnage. That apparently takes forever to disappear. Yeah. Crashed at the same spot. Oh, he's still alive. How did that happen? I have to say, Gatling tanks are pretty good here. He's still alive. Ah, there he is. Well, that's pretty unfair. So what about my overlord tanks here? Oof. 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 So they use a guy. He just has a supply center and he just builds Chinooks. He's not thinking about surrendering. He just wastes money. Legend. Absolute legend. How about we let him? It's a free promotion for us. Oh, we're already 5-star. Never mind. Oof. He killed my tank. Wow. These units are really high maintenance here. My gosh. Maybe we should drive a bit further away. Good, then how about we use some promotions here? Let's see. Let's put it here on the defense. How about that? And then let's steal the cash here. 200, and let's throw the EMP here. Nice. 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 And then how about we put the mines here? Boom. Take that, bitch. So what about my overlords here? By the way, I think we played enough. We can go into the replay, yeah. Okay. Load replay. Yeah. So let's see how that looks. So we click on this guy. Oh, game has detected a mismatch. Okay, that's weird. Even though we just played with this version, it has detected a mismatch. That makes no sense. Huh. Ah, because... Right. Because... Oh, the insta-build sheet. That's why. Ah, shit. Yeah, that was a major mistake. I should have enabled it from the get-go. Oh well, then the game state will be different. Who cares? And let's just observe a bit here. Let's see what happens. Okay, replay playback is definitely different. Yeah. Interesting. That's fine. Okay, but overall it seems to work. So we are good. We should probably... Maybe those cheats should also be saved in the replay. It's weird that they are not. Yeah. Replicated in generals with some conflicts. Every individual commit compiles. Tested and worked in generals. Okay, so we could merge this if we feel adventurous. Yeah. Good. Maybe merge it later. Good. So this change here. No, this one, yeah. Packed struct packets. Packed struct packets. Let's disable generals. Okay. Then pull rebase. Okay, so let's see if it compiles now. Last time we tested this, it didn't compile. Okay, so this time it succeeded. That's great. Now, good. So we need to look a bit around. Um, let's connect chat. Good. So what I'm interested in is these functions here. There are a couple of them. More than a couple. So we have this net. This is a header. Yeah. Okay. It's CPP. Good. So we have, I don't know, 20 or so. Aha. Okay. Okay. That's pretty good. Aha. What is this? It's still a bit shady here. Bit shady. This is very clean, straightforward. Okay, so this is much appreciated. Okay, what I'm missing here though is how do we verify that the new sizes match this? So oh, that's very tiny. Size 8 bytes. Huh? Why does this look so weird here? What is this? Okay. 17 bytes. Because it's 1 byte alignment, right? That's why it shows it like that. Do these comments are these comments useful? Are these fields comments useful in anywhere? Okay, so what I wonder is regarding Regarding this here, can we... Can we make this nicer as well? Header. This is correct. Probably should use static cast here. Confused by how this works. So this one here. about net packet file command header? Text player mask. Text player. I think this would be cleaner. Cleaner as size of that plus size plus this. Get get message, get byte count, get message bytes, I don't know, get bytes. And inside and in that add size team, get bytes, return and text get length, plus size of this one. The advantage then the size of the message struct, message classes of the message members is closely tied this easier to maintain and understand. This should be a cons. Multiple times in this change. Okay, I think this would make this easier to understand then, which is great. Yeah, it's just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. 4 times. Okay. EA comments were changed. Is this necessary? Multiple times in this change. I suspect he used AI, and the AI changed the comments. But I'm not sure. There's here some weird comments. Obsolete indentation. Superfluous. Okay, but overall it looks pretty solid. Now the last question is, how do we verify that these sizes now are correct? I'm not sure. Let me just ask, did you verify that the new sizes match the previous ones? No discrepancies. You can test this by doing const expr. I think you basically you would need to copy all this. Const expr. Unsigned int. He uses unsigned int for that. So let me go back here. Yeah, we should use size t here though. It can be tested by doing const expr this, and then this, and then static assert. Good. This is just temporary code, not meant to go into the change. Yeah, so let me test that, if that actually compiles. So, oh, is that the correct file? Netpacket.cpp. Yeah, and then here, this and this, and that is looking good. Yeah. See if that compiles. Yeah, basically do that for all the different thingies here. Different sizes. So there's like 20 or so. So it's a bit of monkey work, but just to verify that the sizes are definitely correct. If they are, then there's no change in functionality. Yeah, and I think it's better to make sure, even if it means a bit of monkey work. Good. I think those comments will keep him busy for a while. Yeah. Let's add this. What are these fields comments for? Don't they just repeat what the code says anyway? Good. Yeah, I think that will keep him busy a bit. Let's see. Submit review. Maybe here we can say get byte count. Maybe that's a bit better. Get byte count. Yeah. Okay. So this is labels, refactor, network. I will make it major. Because if there's a mistake, then it could be catastrophic. But it's also a pretty important refactor because this code is very error prone the way it's written right now. So I'll make it a major refactor. Yeah, good. So do we want to merge this one? So we still have an issue here. I don't know how to reproduce it. Someone needs to tell me how to do it and I can look into it. My understanding is that it only happens when using the observer, the player observer. Yeah. And so in that case, it's not a big deal. It's probably just another bug that needs some fixing. Yeah. Good. Do we need to add any more comments here? So this one is just a refactor. This one is compile error fix. This one. Here we have a feature comment. I think that's good enough. Here's a bug fix. No, that's just a refactor. Or is it bug fix? No longer try to restore ghost objects for non-local player. Okay. Local player. I didn't test changing team. With the cheats. Maybe we should test that as well. Yeah. Let's take a break here. Next session we test changing teams while we play and see if that probably works. I didn't test that yet. Good, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.